we are here back with a fresh review on the Oppo Reno 6 Pro, which has created a lot of buzz in the market. And you guys know that this is the best compatibility phone that you get in this price budget. Of course, this is just a demo phone which I have got from the company for the review purposes. And so I'll go ahead with the review and I'll tell you what basically it is. Okay, so we start with the unboxing. This is where I remove the cover. Alright, this is the box. Alright, like typically everything that is there. There is a free back case cover. And your headphone set as well as your cable set. Now coming back to the main thing, which is the phone. And this is the phone, which is the Oppo Reno Pro. Curve design. Now as you can see, this comes with a fitted lamination screen on top. Now since this is a company demo phone, you can see it's a little damaged here, but I just have to make do with what I've got. And going ahead with the review, you can see this is the Aurora blue color, which is one of the most patented designs which Oppo has come out with, especially with the Reno 6 Pro design. It's a quad camera, so 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is hidden just behind the flash over here. And it's a beautiful phone. I mean, you can just see it looks so premium, so it's just filled with opulence, so if you carry one of this in your hand, it's excellent. Now I have also done a review of the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, and compared to that phone, this phone is a little heavy and a little bulkier. But what the company has cleverly done is that they've added a curved design, so obviously the phone looks very thin from the sides, as you can see. Okay, so now talking about the special or unique features that this phone basically has is that it's let's look at it from a design point of view. Is this patented glass back panel, which is a patent of Oppo. They say it is scratchless and it's minimum to scratches, and obviously you can see it's smudge free because it's a smooth, nice matte finish. Apart from that, you get an AMOLED display, which is basically a 90 Hertz display, which is very smooth in operation. There's an in-screen fingerprint scanner, and you've got only one punch hole camera, which is basically a 32 megapixel punch hole camera. Apart from this, what is really stunning about this camera is that is the camera is brilliant. I have tested it in all types of lens, and it gives outstanding results, and I will also show you the photographs ahead. This is basically a 256 GB version, which comes with an Android 11 Color OS, the latest update, and it's got a load of features. It's got Solook, which is basically a photo editing function, and I will take you through all those details later. Yeah, so again, taking you through the settings, I'll just show you the entire settings. This is basically a 5G phone, and it has about 10 to 11 bands for 5G, so it's an excellent 5G ready phone, and the compatibility is excellent. Coming to the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is also it catches Wi-Fi 5, so you get 5G Wi-Fi also in that. I can clearly show you that this is the it comes as number 4 here, which shows that you're either on a 4 channel or are you on a 5G channel. Unfortunately, the 5G channel is not catching right now here because I'm out of range, but otherwise you get a 5G channel also, so which is very good in this particular department. Bluetooth connectivity as usual is the best over here, so it connects fast and there's no problems here at all. When it comes to display and brightness, it's got auto brightness, so it adjusts automatically. Eye comfort adjusts automatically. So basically this is all automatic functions. It works from sunset to sunrise, and it adjusts those settings on its own. Coming to convenience tools is basically what I really found very good about this phone is there are a lot of gestures and motions which are good that you can do, like a three finger swipe screenshot. You can just lift up the phone to answer calls, or you can take a continuous screenshot. So it's got a whole lot of features that you can actually take care of. Coming to Yeah, so we come on the camera functions now. So you can basically see the entire camera functions of this phone. I'll take you in depth with all the modes that are available, and I'm telling you, this phone has a lot of modes. You can do a lot of things with this phone, and in when it comes to the camera department, it's absolutely the best phone that I've ever seen as on date. So again, in photo, you can zoom right up till 10x, which is an optical zoom, and thereafter you can do a digital zoom. So you can just zoom in, zoom out like that. It also has what you say ultra wide lens. So ultra wide lens photograph can also be clicked. Coming to video recording, you have video recording right up till 4K. You go to the settings menu and you can choose 4K 180 and the number of frames that you want to do it in. The most important part of this particular phone is that it comes with bokeh effect. So you can jack up the bokeh to 100% and you can shoot videos in bokeh. So what basically bokeh is that it focuses, like say for example I'm focusing on this, and you can see the background area gets smudged on its own. Apart from that, we go to portrait mode. Again, in portrait mode, all of us know, like it again smudges all the background effects and gives you a very good photograph. The night mode is again brilliant on this phone. You get two options. Again, a tripod mode, which is basically you keep the phone on ultra steady mode and you can click and it gives you a brilliant result. I will show you the results of my phone later on. I'm just taking you to the features right now. When you come to more, this is where it is. You can do a short film here. So you have basically options to choose and record a short film, and you can just upload it directly. So people who are basically with a lot of TikTok, or you're doing small videos and you just want to be connected with the world either through YouTube or TikTok, that's an excellent feature, and you can just upload immediately. You have extra HD where you can shoot photographs in 1080p. There is also slow motion and a very unique feature which is dual video. So dual video is basically where you can shoot. You can see my assistant is catching the camera and he is there, and I can also shoot accordingly here. Okay, apart from that, again you have a pro export mode over here. So again, in pro export mode, if you want to do manual settings, you can do about it. Okay, these are some of the photographs which I've clicked, and as you can see, this is like a normal clicks which I've done on the Oppo Reno 6 Pro, and you can see the colors, and this is absolutely outstanding. Macro photography, which is beautiful. Like I said, they say that this particular phone is it's like a DSLR camera in this particular mobile phone, and you can see why. I mean, these are one of the photographs which I've clicked with macro photography. So you can actually, it's got a microscopic lens, so you can actually go very close to an object and click very clear pictures. You can see the water droplets and all are clear on this particular photograph. These are all the samples. Here, this is one of the most brilliant photographs, and I really love this one. It's come so brilliant. It's beautiful photographs. Okay, so most of my photographs are macro photography because I was like pretty blown with this particular feature, because this feature is something new which is not found in many cameras now. So you can see most of my photographs are all macro photography. I have rarely done night photographs, so obviously you can stay tuned and watch my other video where I will take you through all the night videos and night shots of this particular phone, what it's capable of. So, brilliant sample of macro photography. This is another one. This is just like a magazine, click. I mean, I can't believe that this has been taken on this particular phone. It's brilliant. I just had to click a button, and it was this is the result, that the end result which I've got. Okay guys, so I hope you've loved my video, and if you've liked it, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit me a like button. That helps me to release more new videos for you, and you can watch my videos and take it. Once again, I just want to tell you that I have this is absolutely none of my videos are paid or anything like that. So whatever reviews I give, this is just based on my knowledge purview, and what I feel is good. So it's a completely transparent system, and I hope you've liked it. So please do hit the like button. See you. Bye.